G'day, I'm here with a team from My Home Turf, who are Australia's largest network of turf farmers and suppliers. Today, we are here at a home in Balwyn North in Melbourne, where the owners are desperate to remove their synthetic turf. For me, I've always preferred the real thing, which is a much better environmental impact. So, let's get to work removing the plastic and laying the real deal. For this spot, I suggest Prestige Buffalo, which is the ultimate choice for lovers of dark green soft leaf lawn. As the site is central to traffic from the family and the dog, Prestige's fast growth habit allows it to recover quickly from wear and tear. This area is also under some shade, and Prestige Buffalo can tolerate up to 70% shade conditions, so it's a suitable choice.